The sun is a star. It is a giant ball of hot gas. The sun is the center of our solar system. Everything in our solar system revolves around it. The sun is crucial for life on Earth. It provides us with light and warmth. The sun is incredibly large. It is about 109 times the diameter of Earth. If the sun were hollow, it could hold over 1 million Earths. Despite its size, the sun is just an average-sized star compared to others in the universe. The sun is very hot. Its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's core is even hotter, reaching temperatures of millions of degrees. This intense heat is what drives the sun's energy production. The sun is not a solid object like Earth. It is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. These gases are in a constant state of motion due to the sun's immense heat and gravity. The sun produces an incredible amount of energy. It does this through a process called nuclear fusion. Fusion occurs in the sun's core, where temperatures and pressures are extremely high. During fusion, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy travels from the sun's core to its surface and then outward into space. The energy from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. This energy is what makes our planet habitable, providing the light and warmth necessary for life. The sun has been producing energy this way for billions of years. The sun's energy production is a continuous process. It is estimated that the sun fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. This incredible rate of energy production is what allows the sun to shine so brightly. The sun is not a calm and steady object. It has a dynamic surface with constantly changing features. Two notable features are solar flares and sunspots. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy from the sun's surface. These explosions release massive amounts of radiation and charged particles into space. Solar flares can disrupt communication systems and satellites on Earth. Sunspots are cooler, darker regions on the sun's surface. They are caused by intense magnetic activity. Sunspots can be larger than Earth in size. The number of sunspots on the sun's surface varies over an 11-year cycle. Scientists study solar flares and sunspots to understand the sun's behavior and its impact on Earth. They use special telescopes and instruments to observe these events and gather data. Understanding solar storms is crucial for protecting our technology and astronauts in space. By studying the sun, we can better prepare for and mitigate the effects of these powerful events. The sun's gravity holds our entire solar system together. It keeps the planets in orbit around it. The sun's gravity also influences the Earth's tides. The sun plays a vital role in Earth's climate. The energy from the sun drives our weather patterns and seasons. The tilt of Earth's axis, combined with its orbit around the sun, causes the changes in seasons. Life on Earth is entirely dependent on the sun. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, the process of making food. Animals, in turn, rely on plants for food and oxygen. The sun has a life cycle just like any other star. It is currently in its main sequence stage, where it will remain for billions of years. Eventually, the sun will run out of hydrogen fuel for fusion. When that happens, the sun will expand into a red giant. It will engulf the inner planets, including Earth. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a small, dense core called a white dwarf. The sun is a magnificent and powerful object that plays a vital role in our existence. By understanding the sun, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible.